Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be sticking in a cheap Amazon taillights I picked up from a truck. They're blacked out, they're LED. There's your ballast boxes. This is the left-hand light, so let's roll the intro. So to remove the tail light, you need a T15 and a 3/8 drive ratchet, or a quarter drive ratchet, or a 3/8. Whatever your T15 is, what you need to remove the tail light. This is a fairly easy job. In fact, anybody could do this with little to no automotive knowledge. Just 2 screws, a couple of light bulbs, sticking the ballast boxes somewhere up under the car. Up in the body of the truck. And replacing the light with the light assembly for the LED light so that it connects. Plug straight in these old factory bulbs. And I got them pop loose. Okay, so on the way these taillights work, you put your regular bulb in here. This is for your backup light, and this is for your upper light. And this is your 2 screws, and this is where that mounts into your body. After I put the tail light, or I put the bulbs in where they're supposed to go, put the bottom bulb in, I gotta take my T15, and I've gotta put my 2 T15s back in here. I got my 2 T15s started in it. I'm going to tighten them up and we'll come back and see where we're at. I see the new bulbs installed. I'm going to pull the plastic off of it here. And I'll let y'all see. That's the new tail light. That's the factory tail light. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the other side. I'm not going to bore y'all with doing that. I'm going ahead and install it. And make sure the fitment's about the same on that side as it is on this side, or maybe I have to take this side back out. Maybe I have to pop it back in place a little bit because it seems like it's sticking out just a little bit more than the factory one did. Maybe it's just a visualization that I have in my own mind. I don't know. But I'm going to do the other side. Thanks for watching. Like, share, hype. And continue watching. And again, thanks. So we put both taillights in the truck. I'm going to go back and I'm going to adjust that side over there a little bit. I'm going to order a 3rd brake light for this truck here in a couple of weeks. Here's a video of the turn signals working on the truck. I got the taillights on. This is the taillights. And that's the turn signals. This is the right hand side working, that was the left hand side.